Hello friends, we are going to learn the days of a week in French language. So please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Let's start.
Hello children. So today we are going to learn how do we say the day of the week in French. Okay, so let's start. So what do we say the days of the week in French? Les jours, say les jours
Les jours
de la semaine.
de la semaine.
Les jours
De la semaine.
les jours
Les jours
de la semaine.
de la semaine.
Okay. Now, here I am writing English and then I'll write in French. So Monday.
Monday.
Say Monday.
Monday.
What do you say in French? Lundi.
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 Lundi. Lundi.
What do you say? Lundi.
Lundi.
Means Monday.
Monday.
Here. Tuesday. What do you say Tuesday in French? Mardi.
Mardi.
What do you say?
Mardi.
Mardi. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
What do you say Wednesday in French? Mercredi.
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 What do you say? Mercredi.
Mercredi.
Say louder. Mercredi.
Mercredi.
Yes. Thursday. What is that Thursday in French? Jeudi.
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 Say loud. Jeudi.
Jeudi.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday means jeudi.
Jeudi.
Friday. Friday. What is it? Vendredi.
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 Saturday.
Saturday.
What is it? Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Samedi.
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 Saturday. Samedi.
Saturday. Samedi.
Okay. Now last. Sunday. What is it?
Sunday.
Dimanche.
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 What is it? Dimanche.
Dimanche.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay, now say. Monday, lundi.
Monday. Lundi.
Tuesday, mardi.
Tuesday. Mardi.
Wednesday, mercredi.
Wednesday. Mercredi.
Thursday, jeudi.
Thursday. Jeudi.
Friday, vendredi.
Friday. Vendredi.
Saturday, samedi.
Saturday. Samedi.
Sunday, dimanche.
Sunday. Dimanche.
So, friend, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share to your friend. Thank you so much.